Welcome to the Bill Brown Creative Workshops. Come on in, let me show you around. First room we're going into is the digital lab. We have some iMacs, 2 PCs, one for doing large layouts and the other specifically made for doing VR, which we have 2 headsets for as well. We have a number of software on here. There's Adobe CC, there's Blender, there's Fusion, there's FreeCAD. We also have a drawing tablet, speakers and headsets. Moving over to this side of the room, we have our photography setup. We have a small photography backdrop, space to put your phone in, so you can attach your phone if you want to shoot from the top down, or if you want to move things around and have a light attachment, there's that for your phone. We have a Canon DSLR with 50mm and an 80mm lens, and we also have a DJI Osmo gimbal, which you can use to film around the college. We're now going to go through to the project space. This currently has artworks by David Nash. And this fantastic room has loads of natural light and a really beautiful ceiling. We're now going to go upstairs to the first floor to see the makerspace. We have our first little work area with a small display of some of the things made at the Bill Brown, some of them also using our 3D printer. Coming into the makerspace, we have 3 or 4 different work areas. We have our 3D printers over here, central work area currently with our hot wire cutter. On this side of the room, we have an area to clean your 3D prints. There's files and clippers and bits of sandpaper. There's an area to do soldering. There's a stack of shelves with general arts and crafts supplies. There's a laser cutter on this side and a resin printer over here in the corner. No place is complete without somewhere to get together to plan your ideas and your projects. Here we are on the top floor. This is the studio and anyone can book it out to use it. Okay, so that's the Bill Brown Creative Workshops. It's open for all Churchill members, students, staff and fellows, and I hope to see you here soon.